I am back again today to do a nice project. We are going to do some paper craft. It's so fun and easy to do. So for the starters, I want you guys to do a very nice teddy bear. It's going to be easy and simple, and the materials we need only papers, colored papers, anything that you will be like. So I have this board because I just want to do it in a nice card, so you can do as a birthday card or anything for a gift. So for the starters, draw two circles. One should be bigger and one should be smaller, like this way, two circles. Okay, so I'm going to stick the circles on the card. If you don't want to do it on the card, please go ahead, it's totally fine. Like this way. I'm using sticky glue, it's very easy. Two circles, one should be bigger than the other. The big one going for the bottom and little bit small one will come over it. Like this way. So it should be look like a number 8 if you see properly. So the second part, we need some ears for the teddy bear. So I'm going to cut two small ears with same color. I will stick it also. And I will cut another different color circle with light pink color paper. I will use to trace this one. So use a small circle. Like a small one. Now I will stick that middle on the face. So it should be look like now this way. Okay. And in case if you have googly eyes, please go and use googly eyes. If not, of course you can use some black color marker pen and make the dots. So it's totally fine. And marker pen for the nose like this way. See? It should be look like this way. So now the time to do the legs. So cut two circles for the legs and hands. So you need 4 circles. 2 hand circles should be smaller than the leg ones. So for example, here see, 2 different size. This one is much more smaller than this one. So I have to, this one I'm going to use for the leg, this one for the hand. First you cut it and keep it inside. Take a small thread like around 2 centimeters. Yeah, 2 to 3 centimeters. And bend it like one opposite way. Like this way, if you see. When it open, should be like this way, coming. It's very easy. So use the upside, add little bit glue and stick it like this way. So it should be sticked on this. So this part, back side, should be sticked on the tummy. First the hands, both the hands you will stick, then you will stick the legs. So you can now use the black color marker pen and make some designs like a circle and 3 circles on the shaking. Like this way. And stick the legs down here. So your teddy bear should be look like this way now. So wait till it get dry because my glue is still not dry, that's why. So you can use on a card or something very simple like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the teddy bear. Now we are going to do is a peacock. I want you to do is, I'm going to use with the green color. Take 2 papers you need. Bend it like this way. Full paper should be done. So you have to have 2 papers, remember. Like this way, see. So I already have done one. You have to make sure this paper and this paper joining together. So stick together, you have to have a big part. Keep it on the side. Now draw nice body for the peacock. So remember, don't use a marker pen. I'm using a marker pen because I want to show you the line. So this is the shape you have to draw and you have to cut. This is the shape you should cut. Now make sure you draw with a pencil, not with the pen. Marker pen I used because I want you to show the line. If not, with the pen you can see the line will be there and it's not look so nice. So make sure you don't do with the line. So the papers that you join together, take it to and bend it exactly in the middle. It should be like this way. You can see. And apply a little bit glue on the part like this way, both the side. Not total side, just on the both side. Put your peacock in the middle like this way and stick together like this way. Like this way. So now the top part you can glue and it should be joining together. So now your peacock should be look like this way at this moment. So keep it in the side. There's more things for you to do. Just leave it on the side. Cut a V shape on orange color for the head. So, and you can make some blue color dots, small dots if you see. I just cut and I will use that one to stick on the head on one side. It's up to you which side you want to do, like this way. And I will cut another small 2 feathers, not too big ones. just the small ones. If you like, you can just make nice designs, like use a marker pen, it's totally fine. Colored ones or light color, it's up to you. Then you can use just the glue and stick it on the both side, because you need two. Okay, so I want the mouth, so I'm still using orange color, just a V shape. So in feathers, you have to make in dot black color. You can cut circle and glue it, or you can just use the pen and draw just like this way, eye shape. It's up to you, like this way, dots in all the circles. So if you see, I'm doing like eye shape in every one. You have to continue with every part. Yes, on the side, it will be totally fine. So the full paper should be done like that way. And don't forget the legs. I use an orange color. So you have to cut like this way, 3 together, and this part. So this is the part you will add glue and stick to the body. You need to have 2 legs. So okay, my one leg is already misplaced. Okay, it's okay, I will stick it later. So it should be stick like this way on the both side, found the other leg. Like this way, if you see. And what is missing now? Eyes. Again, you can use googly eyes, or you can use a marker pen and do the eye. It's totally up to you. Like this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed today your simple easy paper craft. We made a peacock and a teddy bear. Very easy. So make sure you put all these black color dots for the feathers, design it. If you don't want to draw it, you can always cut some circles to different shapes and stick it. It will be much more easy. It's up to you which way you like. You can just do it by yourself. So you have to do all the way, all the feathers. You should be doing circles, and you can just make sure you stand your peacock in the proper shape, like this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's project. This is very easy and simple. You can just do on cards, and you can do this one. If you like, you can just make a hole and put a ribbon and make it hang around. It will be much more nice. Just punch a hole in the middle put a ribbon or yarn, anything, just hang in the roof. It will be much more cuter and nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's simple project. We just use glue, paper, that's it, and it's very easy, and a marker pen for our drawing. So thank you for watching me. See you tomorrow with a new project. Thank you so much.